Hello, in this video I want to show you a few settings you might want to change for your Razer Basilisk V3 Pro. So to change the settings, first let's get the Razer Synapse app. You can download it from the Razer website or also find it in any search engine. Now let's go for the mouse, so click on it. Here you'll be able to go for the customize mode and change anything about your controls on the mouse, so you can give buttons different functions. That might be handy when gaming, especially in RPGs or games that require a lot of keys to be played. Next is a scroll wheel. If you scroll down in a customize, you can change the scroll wheel settings like scroll acceleration. I would keep that disabled. Scrolling mode, you can go for free spin or tactical. Make sure that you're using tactical and not the free spin, as it gives you more control over your scroll. Also, this one is disabled because it might break your scroll while in gaming. I mean, not break it technically, but break your game. Smart reel, which also is disabled, as it's very weird to use it and I didn't like it while gaming. Another thing is the performance, and here you can adjust the DPI level as well as pulling rate. So the first thing is a sensitivity stages. Here I would use 3 and I would recommend learning to use 3 of them. You can go with more, that's a personal thing, with a sensitivity, so use whichever settings you prefer. But right here in the first stage, I'm using the first stage for scrolling through my YouTube and all the stuff like that. I'm not using it for gaming. So the first stage is set to 1800. Next is step 2, which I'm gonna use about 200, 600. And this is for gaming. And in a game, I usually lower the mouse sensitivity by the settings and increase DPI on my mices. Yeah. And there's also stage 3, and here I'm using this one for a zoom specifically when I'm playing FPS game and I'm zooming on with my weapon. And here I'm using a little bit lower DPI, about 200, 2450 or 500, as it also might improve my aims sometimes. I'm not using this setting. It's pretty garbage for gaming. I would say you might like it. It's your choice basically. The pulling rate pardon me, the pulling rate should be set around 1000 right here, as it gives you more control over your mouse. It's much more free and fluent when moving around the screen. So don't use this, to use 1000. You can go for mouse properties in Windows like this. You can also open it by going to the start and searching for a mouse. Now let's locate the pointer options. Here disable pointer and transporter precision. Disable that setting, it's garbage for gaming. And also here use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your mouse on a 6th level. It will give you more control over your aim, but you can adjust the level right here to your preferred, but I found that this is the best setting you can get. So click on apply and then OK. Next is the lighting, but I'm not gonna cover this as it doesn't improve the gaming. Calibration, if you're using the Razer Surface, you can adjust the calibration here, and if not, I wouldn't bother with this setting. In the power, I would set everything to maximum, because you can't disable it, but it makes your mouse turn off when it's idle, and that might be bad. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.